Friends, think of this. Sometime government change the process or format of any document or an exam, and then all of a sudden the old process becomes outdated. Microsoft has done exactly this with one of the most popular AI certification in India right now, the AI 900. So if you are already preparing for AI 900 or preparing to start soon, this video is for you. Please watch this video carefully before you move forward. Welcome to AI Catalyst. Here we simplify complex AI topics into clear and easy English for the Indian audience. The AI 900 exam is retiring on June 30th, 2026. After that date, you simply cannot book it or sit for it anymore. So today I will tell you what this means for you, what is coming next, and exactly what you should do right now. First, let us understand what is AI 900. It is a beginner level Microsoft exam called Azure AI Fundamentals. No coding needed, no engineering background needed, anyone can sit for it. Think of it like the 10th standard board science exam. It does not make you an expert, but it gives you a strong foundation. It covers basic topics like artificial intelligence, how Azure read image and text, how language tool works, and how AI generates content. Thousands of Indian IT professionals have earned this badge. It is one of the most popular Microsoft certification in our country. Now, the big question is, why is Microsoft retiring it? Think of it like a coaching class that is still using a 2019 textbook. The basics are fine, but the world has moved on. AI has changed completely in the last 2 years. Microsoft is updating the entire certification program to match what the industry actually needs today. By the way, this is not just happening to AI 900. Microsoft is retiring several big certifications this year, including AI 102, which I have already covered in a separate video. I will put the link on screen for you. Please go through it. So, the good part is there is a replacement. The new exam is called AI 901, and here's the good news. It earns you the same certificate, same name, same badge, just a new exam. AI 901 is into beta since 21st April 2026 and will be fully available from June 2026. The main difference is simple. AI 900 educate you to understand AI, but AI 901 teach you how to use AI and build with it. Imagine this. AI 900 was like reading the menu at a restaurant, but AI 901 is like actually going into the kitchen and cooking the dish. The new exam is built around a Microsoft tool called Foundry, which is where you now build, test, and run AI applications. I have published a full detailed video on Azure Foundry. You can watch it for more clarity. AI 901 also covers AI agents, which are basically AI systems that can do tasks on their own, step by step. This topic was not in AI 900 at all, and it is a big part of AI 901. If you are finding this video useful, hit the like button right now. It generally helps this channel reach more Indian IT professionals who are trying to navigate exactly these kind of certification changes. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do. I cover Azure AI certification and everything in between, specifically for the Indian cloud and AI community. Now, the most important question, what should you do? If you have already passed AI 900, congratulations. Your certificate is valid for life. You do not need to do anything. If you are halfway through your AI 900 preparation, just finish it. Book your slot now, revise for 2 weeks, and clear it before June 30th. The badge will stay with you permanently. But if you are just starting out and have not studied anything yet, skip AI 900. Go directly for AI 901. It is more relevant, more up to date, and it connects better with where Microsoft is heading. And if you want to see how the same pattern is playing out at the next level, with AI 102 is being replaced by AI 103, I have done that full comparison video too. Link is right there on the screen. The next question could be, how do you prepare for AI 901? Start with the free learning path on Microsoft Learn. It is called Get Started with AI Apps and Agent on Azure. Everything you need is there for free. Spend most of your study time on the generative AI and AI agent section. That part alone covers around 55 to 60% of the exam. Use the free practice test on the Microsoft exam page. Aim to score above 80% before you book the real exam. And here's the most important tip. Do not ignore the responsible AI section. Many people think it is too simple. Yes, it is straightforward, but it will definitely appear in your exam. That is everything you need to know. Here are the key takeaways. AI 900 is retiring on June 30th, 2026. The new exam is AI 901, same certificate with updated content. It is in beta and will go live in June 2026. If you are done, relax, your badge is permanent. If you are in midway, finish it at earliest before June 30th. If you are just starting, go for AI 901 directly. Focus on generative AI and AI agents along with Foundry. Share this video with your friends and colleagues who are preparing for Microsoft certification. A lot of people will miss this deadline simply because no one told them. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you do not miss my upcoming videos on AI 901 preparation, Microsoft Foundry, and everything else that is changing in the Azure certification world. I will see you in the next one. Keep learning, keep growing.